How's it going, guys? Today we are in North Las Vegas, and we are in the community of Kestrel Heights by Richmond American. And for today's property tour, we're gonna be checking out this bad boy right behind me, guys. Floor plan, Birch. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you want to stay up to date with all the new builds here in the Las Vegas area, consider subscribing. Tap that notification bell. That way you stay up to date with all the new builds. Also, guys, we get calls and texts every single day from people just like you looking to make a move, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're 7 days, 90 days, 6 months, a year, doesn't matter, guys. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom meeting with us. We'll be glad to help you make that smooth transition. Now let's get started. All right, guys, so here we have floor plan Birch. I just did a property tour on that one, guys. If you want to check it out, I'll have the link on your top right hand screen. But definitely recommend staying and watching this one first. So we are in North Las Vegas in the community of Kestrel Heights by Richmond American. And we're actually not too far from the VA hospital. So if you're a veteran, hats off to you. We appreciate your service, and you'll have your VA hospital close by. They're planning to build 102 homes here. For today's video, we're just gonna be focusing on Birch, guys, just to keep these videos shorter. They do have 4 different floor plans in this community. They only have 2 modeled. I'll have the other floor plans in the description below so you can check out that link. So here we have Birch, guys. This one comes in a 3 to 5 bedroom, but right now, the builder is only selling these homes spec'd out, guys. What does that mean? They're selling them with the base price, they're picking the upgrades and the lot. So everything, the price I mentioned today, all that stuff is gonna be included. So as modeled and how they're selling it now is just gonna be a 4 bedroom, guys. So just a heads up. So if you're looking for a 4 bedroom, this is gonna be a great option for you. So this one right here, like I said, it comes in a 3 to 5 bedroom as modeled. It is a 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 2,310 square feet, 2-car garage, and the price, out the door price right now, they have those quick move-in readies and spec'd out, like I mentioned, with the upgrades and your lot premiums, either at $469,950 or $479,950. But if you want to get to the up-to-date quick move-in readies, shoot me a text or an email or call me, and I could give you the updated prices. But this is just as making this video. So this is a non-gated community. The HOA here is $49 a month. There's actually only just one in and out of this community. So it'll be literally like right here, right behind these model homes. So here we have it, guys. Here's the exterior look of this bad boy. Let's get a closer look and head inside, guys. So here you have your pavers on your driveway. There's your 2-car garage, and it has 1, 2, 4 windows up there and a little window next to the door. Here's a closer look. If you're not familiar, we're actually in the North Las Vegas, guys. This is where this community is at. Got these pavers that go up here into the entry door. Before we head inside, guys, just know the sales rep told me that these model homes are gonna be pretty similar to your spec'd out home. Obviously, things change, guys, so you're not gonna get exactly what you see in this model home. So just be aware of that. But they said it's pretty similar. They're not skimping you on the upgrades. So as soon as you come in, you have the 9-foot ceilings, ceramic tile flooring. And here to the left, you do have a coat closet. Then right here, you have the staircase to go to the 2nd floor. But we'll be checking out this first level first. And here, you have a closet, storage closet. They have it stored for their props to stage this home. And then here, you have your dining room area. Then here to the right, let me just show you guys real quick. So you got the garage. You do have a bedroom downstairs, guys. So if you're looking for a home with a downstairs bedroom, this is it. Full bath, and then you got your dining room area, your kitchen. So let me give you guys a closer look at this side of this house before we move on that way. So here's your garage. Builders keep them locked. Unfortunately, cannot show you. But here's that bottom floor bedroom. So if you're looking for a home that has a bedroom downstairs in the 400s, brand new home too, check out this floor plan Birch in Kestrel Heights by Richmond American. Then let me back up a little to show you. So you do have the 9-foot ceilings, also with the 8-foot door, so complements very well. Here you have a full bath downstairs, which is great since you do have a bedroom down here. So you could take a shower and get ready, do everything here. Don't have to go upstairs. Single vanity, your toilet, then your stand-up shower. Really nice. What do you guys think of this wallpaper they used? Blends in pretty good with that shower and that tile. All right, here's your dining room, like I mentioned in the beginning when we walked in. The good size. That table seats 6 people. They still got quite a good spacing. And here off to the right, you got your kitchen, guys. Check it out. You got about 42-inch uppers. You got the quartz countertop, seats island, seats about 3 people. You got the white cabinets with black hardware. You got your dishwasher, your stainless steel undermount sink, and you have a window that faces the backyard. Let me know, are you a person that likes the sink outside like that, facing like the backyard or the side? Or are you a person that likes it on the island? Let me know in the comments below. Also, this one you have your oven, your stove, your microwave. Also, guys, in this community, all appliances are included. Not too many builders do that, guys. So this one, you'll get your refrigerator, washer, and dryer with your purchase of your home. So what do you guys think of this kitchen? Is this a kitchen you could see yourself enjoying? Let me know in the comments below. And then right behind me, you have your living room. Good size. Now let's go check out the backyard. Before we go out there, guys, just know you won't get this landscaping. You're just gonna get a clean slate. They just have it landscaped for modeling purposes. And also, guys, I hate to break this news to you. And the sales agent mentioned that the builder, when they spec out this home and they sell them, they are not gonna have the covered patio or your balcony. It's very unfortunate because I feel like every home should have a covered patio. I know she mentioned there is one spec'd out home that is available, but after that, I don't believe they're gonna make them no more. They're gonna not include this covered patio. But like I mentioned in the beginning, here the lot premium is gonna be included with your purchase price. So you're gonna get your lot premium, your upgrades, and that base price all included. Average lot here is around 3,600 square feet. So I wouldn't say there's big lots here. Give you guys a view from this angle. This one definitely sits on a bigger lot because this is a corner home. Let's go back inside and go to that second level. If you guys are enjoying this property tour, smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notification. That way you don't miss any upcoming property tours. Let's get in here. Let's lock up first. Let me lock this up. Only have one hand. All right, let's check out the second level. Hey guys, quick thing. If you're considering a new build and want outside representation, maybe from a realtor like me or one you got in mind, it's super critical we tag along on that first visit. If not, the builders got this role, they won't let us step in later. Now you might wonder, why go with an outside realtor? Well, we're all about you. We bring unbiased advice, a focus on your best interest, and we negotiate with only your needs in mind. Builders, realtors are great, but they represent the builder first. So just a heads up so you're in the loop. And here we have your loft. So this loft would have been the option to have that 5th bedroom. But like I mentioned, the builder is speccing these out as a 4-bedroom, so you will be having this loft. But definitely a nice size loft in my opinion. Look at that, guys. Now let's start over here and we'll work our way back. So here you have your laundry room. You have your sink, washer and dryer, like I mentioned, are included with your purchase. Cabinets, you have a window, and a ceramic tile. You'll notice up here you do have carpet. So I'd imagine that the builder is going to be speccing out these with carpet upstairs. Then here you have bedroom number 2, because we've seen that first bedroom downstairs. Give you guys a view from this angle. But before we do that, this window is facing the front. Another beautiful day in Las Vegas, guys. Definitely loving this weather. You'll notice up here also 9-foot ceilings with the 8-foot doors. Then here's bedroom number 3. But before we go to number 3, let me show you guys full bathroom, dual vanity, white cabinets, black hardware. Turn this light on. It looks a little dark in here. Haha, makes it brighter. Much better. Got this tile ceramic flooring, your toilet, and your tub stand-up shower with tile backsplash. That goes around 8 feet high. I think that's high enough. I would have loved it to go all the way to the ceiling, but it doesn't. Here's a view from this side. Now, check out that bedroom number 3. Go on this side. Now, let's go for the main showstopper, primary. But before we go to the primary, let me show you this linen closet that's right next to your primary. And I present to you guys your primary bedroom. Give you guys a view from this angle. What do you guys think of the size? Is this big enough for you? Too small? Just right? What do you guys think? Also, you won't be getting this, but still let me show you. Just because I'm here. Is it locked? It says locked. Actually, builder has this lock, so I cannot show you. Maybe that they don't want us to tease you because you're not gonna get this. So I get it. But I'll show you from here. You have your balcony. I won't show you too much, guys, because like I said, you won't be getting this. But that's the VA hospital, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. It's right over there. And this community is all the way just off the 215. So you're pretty far north. Give you guys a view from here. Now, so you're primary. Pretty cool that they have a door right here. I'll tell you what, a lot of builders do not put doors on the primary bathroom. Why, I don't know, but we tend to see a lot of primaries just open like this with no door, but you get a door with this one. So here you have the combo and your bath, stand-up shower. Look at all that gray just in here. Gray tile. You got the gray backsplash as well, gray wallpaper. I don't know how I feel about so much gray. Plenty of windows in here. Then right over here, you have your dual vanity, quartz countertop. Let me actually turn on these lights. Let's brighten up this room, this bathroom. Oh, turn this one and this one. There we go, much better. Right over there, you have your toilet. Here it is. You got tile, and then here's your walk-in closet. Definitely have to turn on this light. So this right here, guys, is a custom closet by Closets Las Vegas. So you'll get more of a standard closet. This is a custom closet. How do I know? I don't know, let's see. Cause I can't even speak. Closets Las Vegas did it. So if you're trying to get your closets done and organized, definitely recommend checking them out. They do awesome work. This is just one example of the work they do. All right, guys, well, hey, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this property, good or bad. Definitely open to whatever feedback you wish to. Also, guys, if you guys enjoy this property tour, do me a favor, like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notification. That way you stay up to date with all the new builds here in the Las Vegas area. Until next time, guys.